Summer in Canada arrives quietly, like a breath you didn't know you were holding. Everything slows down. The sun stretches longer. Time feels like it melts into the grass beneath me. The river is glacial and biting, but once I'm in, I don't want to get out. I don't want to leave. Cold enough to steal your breath and return it, softer somehow. The trails in these mountains are quiet, except for the birds and the low, steady hum of water calling from somewhere up ahead.
How is it hiking with her on your back?
Not too bad. She's getting heavy.
Yeah.
But I feel like I'm a bit forward because I've been wearing her on my front for so long, and now that she's on my back, it feels like I'm like getting realigned back to where I'm supposed to be.
So the climate here right now in early August is pretty much perfect. It's kind of cold in the mornings and it's cold overnight, so like you can sleep really well, but it gets really warm during the day, and the days have started getting a little bit shorter. Like when we first got here, it was getting dark at like 11 p.m, which is really hard to go to bed, and also I feel like it affected Lyla's sleep a little bit.
Definitely.
The days are starting to get shorter now and the nights are getting colder, which also I guess means we're at the tail end of summer already, and it feels like it only just started.
I I'm so grateful that we moved here in summer to give ourselves the time to get ready for winter, but also because I'm so excited for autumn. Like, we haven't had proper seasons in a very, very, very long time. So I'm going like full pumpkin girl.
Pumpkin girl.
Full pumpkin girl this autumn. Lyla and I have a lot of activities planned. I'm doing all of it.
What are we doing?
We're going to an apple orchard. We're gonna go to a pumpkin patch and pick out a pumpkin. I'm gonna cook pumpkin seeds. I've got so many fall recipes that I wanna make. And then it's gonna be winter and I've got Christmas. I'm going ham. You guys don't even know yet. This is like my Super Bowl. This is what I've been waiting for. What
about Halloween? What are we doing Halloween?
Oh, well, we've got Thanksgiving in the Kootenays with my dad. Lloyd's got a hunting trip planned, which is so exciting. And then Halloween, I haven't decided on Halloween yet.
We'll carve some pumpkins and...
Yeah, we'll probably just carve pumpkins and take Lyla trick-or-treating for the first time. What should she be?
What's that?
Let us know down in the comments what Lyla should be for her first Halloween here. It's so exciting. Okay, it feels like we're getting closer to the waterfall.
That's pretty loud.
We make our way to the falls. Rushing, endless, ancient.
So we decided to head to the city today, sort of last minute. Not really thinking about the fact that it's a long weekend here in BC, in Canada. So the traffic is absolutely insane heading into Vancouver, but that's all right. We're going to head to one of my favorite places in Canada, which is Granville Island. We have been there on this channel before, but not with Lyla and not in summer. So this will be a better experience.
The market is alive with color and chatter. Fresh berries, wildflowers, hand-carved spoons, everything touched by someone's hands. Someone's story.
$48 for chocolate.
Oh, I bet it's so good though. Your first Nanaimo bar?
Yeah. What is it?
It's like custard and like, oh, it's just so good.
That's it.
Did you think they were the full-size ones?
They were massive.
I'm surprised that you wanted them that small. We don't need more than that though. Nanaimo bars are really rich.
What is it? It's biscuit.
That's custard
Yeah.
in the middle, and then it's like, yeah, biscuit, chocolate biscuit, and then just like chocolate on the top.
And they're from Nanaimo.
I think that's where they originated, I'm assuming.
Oh man, it's so good. It's got coconut.
Yeah, coconut, that's right. And nuts, I think, at the bottom sometimes.
It's awesome. It's not really a bar though. It's hard to walk in there with a big stroller. Hey? I didn't really think about that.
It's much busier than last time.
Yeah. Of course, we came on Saturday of a long week. Didn't think about it.
Yeah.
I wander slowly. No real plans. We're just following whatever smells the best. Back at home, I like to bake. Banana bread again. Warmth fills the house. I love this feeling. Cinnamon, vanilla. There's something so comforting in the way the bread rises. We take our banana bread down the lake, still warm in the middle. Crumbs on our fingers. Sunlight dances on the water. Simple moments always seem to taste the best. And then the mountains turn pink. And we fly the drone just to see it all from above. This place, this season, this feeling that this is already becoming a distant memory. Summer never stays long in Canada, but maybe that's what makes it so sweet. Brief, bright, and entirely worth waiting for.